Hi and welcome to Young Minds of Udaipur. Today we are stepping into a world of rhythm, poetry and passion straight from a studio that both Roman and Roshan started not too long ago, yet carries stories, struggles and beats that speak volume. Roshan's childhood wasn't just rooted in one city, it was a journey across places shaped by the life of an army family. With his father serving in the forces, moving became second nature, and every posting added a fresh layer of experiences and perspective to his upbringing. So please welcome Roshan, the face and voice behind West East. Hi Roshan, welcome to Young Minds of Udaipur. Firstly, thank you for inviting all of us to this your wonderful music studio. And I think you and Romil set up this
Yes.
studio in January, right? That was the time when you both decided to come up with this space.
So in January we actually like gathered this idea of making this studio and like forming all this space for music and all.
No, I think I love this space. Like it's very
Thank you.
vibrant, very love the color combination and everything.
Color combination is like it's very vintage wine, and we always wanted to like give it a subtle vintage type of thing. Like this is our color end up. And this is how
Like each and everything, how you've placed things, and
Yeah, it's very well thought of. Actually, we are brainstorming for ideas and brainstorming for things we can place it, things we would look good in this environment.
So you have done your college in Dehradun, right? You studied in Dehradun. And what brings you to that? Like,
Actually, when I was in the first year, there was that no mention about Udaipur. So I was freelancing as a musician. So one day, Rohil contacted me for a song, and it was about his advertisement about his company, the Kaza Arti. So we just clicked and I made that song. He really liked that song, and after that he kind of wanted to give me this space and to create the music and something like that. And also I came from an army family, so my father first posting was in Jodhpur.
Okay.
I lived there for like 5 years, so I was very.
I used to need that initial motivation from someone,
I don't know.
initial start or
Initial start, someone has to
guide you
yeah.
in the right direction.
Yes.
So what makes Udaipur, such an artistic city beyond its palaces and
just-
what do you think?
It's just the environment. It's just the vibe. It's
Yeah.
everything.
It's
It's
totally
just
different.
vibing.
Yeah.
It just give you that nostalgic feeling now.
And do you think there's much more to explore in terms of art in Udaipur?
There is actually. I don't even think I have like explored 10% of it. Could be about the thing, I'm only immersed in music, immersed in the studio. बाहर में जाता हूँ तो it's like a drive or something like that. I never like go to the remote areas and meet other people like this. I know that one or two things about the culture because I have been here before, but it's a lot of things to explore and I'm very excited about it.
Right. So, also, how has the city influenced your art? Like, when you were in the city, like when you started, I think, when did you move? Like, which year? In the
I think it was made of 2023, somewhere. Yes,
It's been almost 2 years.
2 years, yes.
So, do you love the vibe of the city and how does it
Absolutely.
influence your music and, your art?
Actually, the thing which going जिसमें मतलब जिसने मेरे को म्यूजिक में इंटरेस्ट लाया was this instrument called Ravan Atta. It's a राजस्थानी instrument and मैंने पहली बार वही इंस्ट्रूमेंट सुना था एज अ म्यूजिकल फॉर्म और म्यूजिकल जो स्टिमुलस मेरे दिमाग में जो हुए थे वो
Can you tell me a little bit more about this instrument? I know like the basics.
I don't even मैंने कभी खुद देखा नहीं ना ही मैंने कभी यूज करा. It's a single string instrument I guess and it's also have this percussion sounds of some bells on it.
So, do you know how to play it?
I don't know how to play but I really like the sound of it. I use it more often in my music.
Okay. So, can you take us back to that moment? Like, what pushed you both, you and Romil, to finally say, let's build your own space
This is a crazy
for
one.
music?
This is a crazy one because I was a chaotic guy, so I was doing this college and I also have to like build up my music career also. I was so not in shape about the music and everything, not in
In your age now, everyone is in that mess.
I know, but
they're all figuring out कि क्या करना है. So it's
I
just,
think
yeah, it's the same for everyone. And I think you're just very young, 23, 24 bits, I guess. Yeah.
so. तो वहाँ पे फिर in this chaos I made this song Maya.
Yeah.
It was Maya song. It was just the music. I just had this sample of a Ganwali folk song. This was this. So I just sampled it. I made a beat around it. Not thinking about it much. I just sent it to Romania.
So tell me, Roshan, what is the essence of the West East brand of music and why the name West East? Like, what's the meaning behind
Thing
like,
about the West East. Yes.
Yeah.
So West East, we came up with this song after we came up with this idea of West East. So actually, I was not thinking much about the theme and about this how we are going to carry it. So West East is basically about fusion of these Western modern beats and our cultural significance of everything. Not only music, everything. Like everything has a tune to it, everything has a space and everything has a sound to it. So it's like music. So
it's basically amalgamation of both Indian and
it's,
Western.
it's about the environment. It's about the thing we are living. It's about the present. It's about the future. It's about the past. So West East is all about that. Your belongingness, your music.
Lovely. So what inspired you to bring your native lyrics into your songs?
So
Because I've heard that Maya song and even
Actually,
the
हाँ.
second one I
Yes,
did.
yes,
So
yes.
there's a lot of those lyrics are quite influenced by your, I think,
native places.
yeah, native place.
So the language is actually Kumaoni.
okay.
so in
I thought it's Pahadi, no? It's
No,
not
Pahadi is not a language. Pahadi,
Okay.
we call this Himachali and everything, all, including its Pahadi. So there are two languages in mostly spoken in like Uttarakhand. It's Garhwali and Kumaoni. So I came from Kumaon region, so we speak Kumaoni.
Okay.
So about this language, using of this language, like so when I was too little, I didn't really have got this chance to know my culture and know this language and how to really speak. All that thing I'm understanding about my culture and understanding about my language, my dialect is about because of my mom and my dad. So I was not really curious about this at the earlier stages of my music, but recently when things happened in my life and I really found out myself lost in the cities and lost everywhere, and all I was thinking about is going to my gaon.
Right.
So I really wanted to express that. So so what's good than using that language?
Yeah, I mean, I think your roots are the most important thing,
Yes.
and you know, as you said, it's a beautiful amalgamation of Indian.
You
and
belong to something. You always belong to something. You just have to find that. So in that
you have to
search,
find that inspiration
inspiration from yes.
from things. Yeah. So, do you see it as a way of keeping your cultural identity alive through music?
Obviously, like I think I have so lot to do now.
Are you very proud of like being or some you know
I'm really
your
excited
culture
about-
and everything?
I'm really excited about it. I'm really proud of it. I don't know how this statement goes, लेकिन मेरे को बस लगता है कि मैं और कुछ अच्छा कर सकता हूँ and I just need, मेरे को लगता है बहुत सारे लूज एंड्स हैं, बहुत सारे लूज एंड्स हैं मेरे म्यूज़िक में, मेरे उसमें लिरिक्सिज्म में फॉर दिस कल्चर. तो आई रियली वांट टू नो एंड स्टडी दिस कल्चर मोर. तो अभी जो मैं म्यूजिक बना रहा हूँ इट्स गुड एंड आई नो आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ दैट टू, लेकिन आई थिंक आई कैन बी बेटर इन लाइक 2 years.
Yeah, I think it's a learning process.
It's
You
a learning
improve
process.
day by day
I
and learn things. You make mistakes also. I think that is a
lot
part of
it.
learning.
मिस्टेक्स तो इतनी सारी करी हैं कि अब मिस्टेक्स का वो भी नहीं होता, रिग्रेट भी नहीं होता. इट्स लाइक फन नाउ.
Later we realize that, okay, you know, then, but it's okay. I mean, it's a part and parcel of life. So do people generally connect with the lyrics? I mean, what is the vision for the, also, I mean, a lot of people, because when I heard it for the first time, I was like, okay, what does that mean? Because few, you know, the words,
it's
I
curiosity.
actually, I didn't know the meaning of the words. So,
सो एक्चुअली जिन जिन लोगों ने मेरे को रिस्पॉन्स दिया ना आफ्टर दिस एल्बम गोज, क्योंकि इस वाली एल्बम में मेजरली इट वाज दैट रीजनल लैंग्वेज ओनली ना.
but the beats are very nice. I love the beats.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. वही एक्सपेरिमेंटल पार्ट था म्यूजिक का. बीट्स अच्छी हो रही तो सही है सब कुछ. तो फिर लोगों ने हाँ बीट्स का अप्रिशिएशन तो दिया ही लोगों ने, लेकिन द लिरिसिज्म में जो मैंने रीजनल लैंग्वेज यूज़ करी, आई वाज सो अफ्रेड कि लोगों के रिएक्शंस क्या आएंगे इसमें, क्योंकि माय डायलेक्ट इज़ नॉट दैट ओरिजिनल, यू नो। होता है ना कि तुम बाहर रहते हो, तुम गांव में रहते हो, तुम्हारा डायलेक्ट होता है चेंज, अगर तुम्हें लैंग्वेज बोलनी आती है फिर भी। तो मुझे लगा था बहुत क्रिटिसिज्म आ सकता है, बहुत क्रिटिसिज्म आएगा, लेकिन कुछ नहीं हुआ ऐसा। दे रियली लव्ड इट, दे रियली फील इट। उनको लगा कि वाह भाई तू कब से करने लग गया है। दे वर रियली शॉक एंड दे वर रियली अम्यूज्ड अबाउट इट, तो इट वाज नाइस।
That's good because that motivation you need from your parents. Even I think your dad and mom, they both supported, no?
Yeah, they are
So-
good. They always supported me.
Great. I think that is the most important thing because parents do not support. They're like, you know,
I think it's-
कि इसका क्या scope है, and they want to know actually, okay,
हाँ,
what.
those questions are really legit actually, पता है, क्योंकि हम जिस सोसाइटी से आते हैं वहाँ पे तुम्हें क्वेश्चनेबल चीज़ें करने को डिनाई करा जाता है ऑब्वियसली। लेकिन मेरे जो फादर एंड पेरेंट्स थे उनको अब दे आई डोंट नो क्यों बिलीव करते हैं मेरे पे। मैंने कभी पूछा भी नहीं उनसे, ना ही उन्होंने मेरे को कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन वैसे कभी दी। तो इट जस्ट आई डू वट एवर आई डू एंड दे सपोर्ट इट। इट्स लाइक दैट। आई एम रियली
That is the
ग्रेटफुल फॉर
best
दैट।
part.
हाँ, आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर हैविंग दैट पेरेंट्स।
So, what is the vision for this studio like in next 2 years or 3 years, or do you plan each day like as it comes?
I go by day
Yeah,
by day, yes.
I think that is the best thing to.
I don't think about the space too much. I think about the creativity. I think about the process.
How can you improve
How can I improve? Like
in terms of
it's
creativity
it's
and,
about creativity.
and bringing something new that
Something new
you know
to the
people
table,
would
yes.
like.
Yeah.
So how did you finance it? You know, the whole thing, also the resources. What were the challenges you faced while setting this up? You and Romil, I mean, both. So how did you do that?
So this was a gradual thing. So, पहले तो हमने the studio was already मतलब ये space already created था.
Okay.
Actually this was a drawing room kind of thing. तो हमने क्या करा कि we didn't ये हमारे पास नहीं था उस टाइम पे.
Right.
I have this mic, I have this MIDI and all and this PC. So यहाँ पे मैं आया, मैं recording set करा and कुछ इक्विपमेंट्स मेरे पास ऑलरेडी थे पुराने वाले जो मैं यहाँ पे लाया, फिर हमने सेटअप करा। कुछ हमने फिर ऐसे ही प्लान करके लिए धीरे धीरे, लाइक सेकेंड हैंड्स भी लिए हमने, और फिर धीरे धीरे ऐसे करके फिर हमने कुछ प्रीसेट्स होते हैं, सॉफ्टवेयर होते हैं। तो
But I like how you have done it so beautifully, so vibrant colors. So this was
all about
the
the-
plan.
it's all
This
about
must
the
be-
vibe, yes.
हाँ, but ये random नहीं होगा, right? It's
ये
just
random
a lot
नहीं
of planning, and you know how can you make it more colorful, vibrant, and
Actually it was kind of random when I think about it, क्योंकि ये चीज़ें यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी रखी हुई थी।
okay.
इट जस्ट नीडेड एन अरेंजमेंट टू इट ना। तो मैंने तो क्या करा कि ये सारी अरेंज कर दी एंड दिस पेंटिंग्स वर हेयर एंड देयर, बस अरेंजमेंट का हुआ, और बाद में जो इक्विपमेंट्स थे उसमें हमने धीरे धीरे खर्चा करा, वैसे करके इन्वेस्टमेंट करा।
Okay. So initially, I think investment was there. Like you
Yeah,
kind
it
of.
was initially I had some stuff of
Did
my-
you also take any help from the schemes, government schemes, or it was not
it's
nothing
all-
like that?
अभी ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, हम करने वाले हैं गवर्नमेंट को हिट।
Okay. So you come from an army family, you know. That's a background, you know, built on discipline, structure, resilience. So how much of that has influenced your approach to music? Or you're not, as far as I know, you're like, no, I'm not that sort of a person.
Like-
but still, you know. And whether it has also influenced your writing, performing, or
Yes.
even building this music collective.
आर्मी तुम्हें क्या बनाती है कि डिसिप्लिन में रहो, वैसे रहो, स्ट्रेचर अपना सही रखो। मैंने बस आर्मी के जितने भी गाइडलाइन मतलब जितने भी फॉलोइंग्स थी वो बस उतनी फॉलो करी जिससे मेरे पेरेंट्स को फ़र्क मतलब वो ना पड़े, प्रॉब्लम्स ना आए। तो मैंने आर्मी स्कूल में ही पढ़ाई करी। आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू हैव लाइक मेरे को बस स्टैंडिंग आउट वाला पॉइंट चाहिए था अपनी लाइफ में हमेशा, बी इट फिजिकल, बी इट समथिंग, बी इट अबाउट स्मार्टनेस, एनीथिंग, मतलब कुछ भी ऐसा हो।
Yeah.
लेकिन वो आर्मी में पॉसिबल ही नहीं था कभी मेरे लिए। इट वाज ऑल अबाउट दैट चेन ऑफ कमांड्स होती हैं उसमें,
Right, right.
है ना। तुम कितने ही बड़े किसी से बन जाओ, तुमसे ऊपर हमेशा
But
कोई ना
were
कोई
they
होता है।
very strict with you? Or like they were
एक्चुअली आई वाज वेरी स्मार्ट। मैं क्या करता था कि वो होते हैं नहीं है इन्फॉर्म्ड बैक बेंचर ना, आई वाज दैट काइंड ऑफ गाय कि मैं पढ़ाई में भी अपना मतलब एक पैरामीटर सही रखता हूँ, और
A kind of balance board.
बैलेंस है वो तब तक कि जब तक मेरे को कोई कुछ प्रॉब्लम ना आए। बाकी आई वाज वेरी रेबेलियस अबाउट एवरीथिंग। मेरे को वो आइडियाज़ पसंद नहीं थे, मेरे को उनके स्ट्रेटजीज पसंद नहीं थे, मेरे को
you're
ही पसंद।
quite a rebel वैसे.
हाँ।
You don't follow things,
I don't
but
follow
you follow your own path.
हाँ,
which is
इसलिए
nice.
ऐसा नहीं होता कि आई डोंट क्वेश्चन माई सेल्फ। उसके बाद आई क्वेश्चन माई सेल्फ, लेकिन फिर अब हो गया तो हो गया। इट्स
Right.
लाइक दैट।
But they were pretty chilled out. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, you know, when you growing up that you have to become this or you have to, you know, focus on this and that. Like there are rules and regulations.
अपने पेरेंट्स तो सबके होते ही हैं आई गेस. माय पेरेंट्स आल्सो वांटेड मी टू गो इन मेडिकल आर्मी. तो लेकिन मैं ट्राई करा उसके लिए, फिर बीच में कोरोना आ गया एंड ऑल दैट थिंग हैपन, तो मैं नहीं कर पाया उसको परस्यू. फिर बाद में कोरोना के टाइम पे मेरा बहुत स्पेस था तो आई परस्यू म्यूज़िक. मैंने फ्रीलांस ट्राई करा एंड उसके बाद फिर फ्रीलांस में क्या हुआ कि ऑब्वियसली मैंने म्यूज़िक से थोड़ा सा पैसा वैसा कमाना शुरू कर दिया. तो दे वर लाइक फाइन, यू आर मेकिंग मनी आउट ऑफ इट, तो जस्ट डू इट.
Right. No, if you can make money out of your passion and creativity.
वही उस टाइम पे मेरे को समझ आया कि पढ़ाई इज एक्चुअली what the goal of life is, like making money and
Everyone wants money.
Yes.
Money is important.
Yes.
Guys, listen, money is the most important thing.
money is the ultimate truth.
Okay, so your tribe Vesties just dropped first song video of Maya,
Yes.
you know, from album Vesties Chapter 1, beginning. And song name Vasi video is also out now. So congratulations on that firstly.
Thank you very much.
And I guess in the album there are total 8 songs,
Yes,
right?
there are 8
And
songs.
but the videos will come gradually.
Gradually,
2
yes.
videos are out.
2 videos are out and others will be coming.
Gradually, right? Yeah. So
Within this.
tell me a little bit about this, the lyrics that I've heard. It's like bari bari mete hari hari, right? I know. And if it feels like, you know, it's very comes from a very real place. So tell us about the idea about, you know, this Maya thing, you know, as a story of loss, illusion or something deeper. Tell me a little bit about
So
that.
Maya's song, when I made this song, it was all music. I didn't know how to like write. मतलब उसके ऊपर राइटिंग कैसे कंपोज करूँ मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा था उस टाइम पे. तो उस आई वॉज क्वेश्चनिंग माई सेल्फ अबाउट लाइफ, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे मेरे कॉलेज का लास्ट ईयर चल रहा था एंड आई गॉट कोई जॉब नहीं था मेरे पास. और मेरे म्यूज़िक से भी जितने मैंने फ्रीलांस में मतलब अपना थोड़ा सा बनाया था प्रोफाइल वगैरह, इट गॉट ऑल लॉस्ट. तो आई वॉज प्रीटी मेस्ड अप अबाउट एवरीथिंग. तो उस टाइम मेरे को रियलाइज़ हुआ कि हाउ मच आई वांटेड कि आई वुड हैव लिव्ड इन माई गाँव एंड इन माई प्लेस. और उस टाइम पे जब मैं एक्चुअली वहाँ पे रह रहा था, उस टाइम पे मैं सोचता था कि कितना अच्छा होता मैं सिटीज़ में या देहरादून में जाके रहता. तो उस टाइम पे मेरे को रियलाइज़ हुआ कि दिस इज़ ऑल एन इल्यूजन, क्योंकि मैं जो सोच रहा था वो वैसा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है. इट्स ऑल मेस्ड अप ऑलरेडी. तो वहाँ से वो आइडिया आया था कि आई वांट, और जैसा मुझे फील हो रहा था आई न्यू कि ऐसे बहुत सारे लोगों को फील हो रहा होगा.
Exactly what you were feeling at that point of
Lost,
time,
I was-
kind of tried to convert it into lyrics and
Lyrics,
your creativity and music and all those things,
Yeah, so
right?
बारी बारी में तो हारी हारी that actually translates to बार बार.
Can you sing it like a bit of?
ऐसे रैप. हाँ, बारी बारी में तो हारी हारी माँ के तेरू खेलूँ माँ मेरे दगड़ी खिलाई हिसाब तो करने. ऐसे इट्स इसे
Yeah.
समझ नहीं आया होगा आपको, लेकिन हाँ इसका मतलब ये है कि बार बार मुझसे भागने की तैयारी क्यों कर रहे हो जब मेरा जो मेरा है वो मुझे मिल के रहेगा और तुम मुझसे नहीं छीन सकते इसको.
Also, how Romil helped you in the whole process of this thing, you know, figuring things out initially when you were
He is
confused.
the guy भाई, he is the trigger point, he is the switch.
Yeah.
पता है जैसे कि मैं बहुत क्योटिक सा हूँ ना, मेरी पर्सनैलिटी बहुत क्योटिक सी. मैं अपने वो प्रोफाइल ऐसे करता हूँ कि आई डोंट गिव अ शिट, सॉरी फॉर दैट वर्ड बट यस. तो लेकिन फिर बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है कि आई एम रियली स्केयर्ड ऑफ एवरीथिंग. मैं
Are you scared of him, by the way?
ना
No?
कभी कभार कुछ हरकतें हैं उनके वैसे, लेकिन ही इज़ अ फाइन गाय.
But I think he's someone who kind of guides you and, you know,
he's like my mentor भाई.
Yeah, he's a mentor.
मैंने बोला ना जैसे स्विच है, मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे क्लाउड होगा and I just need to talk to him. That clouds go.
And you get
I
that
have a path
clarity.
now, yes.
Yeah. So I think we all need that one person to give one, or you know. I think,
Yes भाई, तुम जिंदगी में कुछ कमाओ ना, लेकिन तुम्हें एक ऐसा इंसान चाहिए जो तुम पे विश्वास करे. पेरेंट्स विश्वास करते ही हैं तुम पे, लेकिन you just need a friend or something like partner.
I totally agree. So visual artist or the editor, how did you collaborate with them? Like initially, I think you need a team, right?
हाँ initially yes. Initially हम लोगों ने सोचा था कि हम पूरा टीम बिल्डअप करेंगे. We had this friend in उदयपुर only. We contacted him. उसने एक हमारा म्यूजिक वीडियो बनाया. Not of this album. It was a single song.
Okay.
लेकिन उसके बाद फिर उस अपनी लाइफ में कुछ बिजी हो गया. तो माई यंगर ब्रदर ही इज़ इनटू शूटिंग एंड ऑल. थोड़ा सा इंस्टाग्राम वगैरह पे ही इज़ अ ट्रैवलिंग काइंड ऑफ गाय, तो ही नो हाउ दिस थिंग्स वर्क. तो हमने बस को ऐसे ही थोड़ा सा वो करने के लिए बुलाया कि कैन यू डू दिस। तो उसने जब यहाँ पे आया, वी मेड माया वीडियो, तो उसको ही फिर हमें बाद में पता चला कि वी कैन वर्क इट आउट। सो बाकी जितने भी वीडियोस थी वी डिड विथ हिम, तो इट वाज माय यंगर ब्रदर।
So now there's like proper team and you are very
Kind of,
comfortable.
yes, yeah.
Okay. And tell us a little bit about the new song, and the video is out, Wasi.
Wasi.
It's different from Maya, right? And how it's different from Maya?
So the whole album have a story to it. Not a story to it, have a theme to it. So Vasi is also about.
So what's the theme?
The theme is basically यही कि the illusion, the city life, and the trickery. How everything around you is mocking, and how everything around you is illusion, and the real thing is inside you.
Yeah.
तो ये पूरा एल्बम का थीम
You
है
need
कि
to identify that and work on that.
don't be scared of your struggles, embrace your struggles and know your path। वो उस चीज़ के बारे में है। तो इस वाले एल्बम में ये सब चीज़ें जो वर्ल्डली और जो जितनी भी बेसिक चीज़ें, मतलब जितनी भी सुपरफिशियल चीज़ें हर किसी के उसमें लाइफ में होती हैं, वो मैंने अपनी लाइफ में अपने स्ट्रगल्स को शो करके अपने स्ट्रगल्स को
Is
बता
this
के
a way of finding yourself also
Yes,
through
it is,
music and through
It
all
is.
these?
Actually मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि काश शायद मेरे को डुअल पर्सनैलिटी है, फिर मेरे को लगता है शायद डुअल नहीं 3 है। फिर मेरे को लगता है 3 ही से 4 है। ऐसा करके लगता रहता है मेरे को हमेशा ना। तो फिर मैं म्यूज़िक के साथ वैसे ही जब एक्सपेरिमेंट करता हूँ तब मेरे को पता चलता है कि नहीं, इट्स ओनली वन एंड दैट्स वेरी डीप इनसाइड। आई डोंट स्टिल नो अबाउट दैट पर्सनैलिटी।
We all have that dual
मुझे पता ही नहीं।
personalities.
आपको कभी लगा है जैसे कि यू डोंट नो योरसेल्फ कभी कभार ऐसे?
I think we all go through that phases of
तो फिर
doubting ourselves when
बट आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल डोंट लाइक ओवर थिंक दैट। तो मैं उसको बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर थिंक करने लग जाता हूँ। तो म्यूजिक इज रियली एस्केप फॉर मी।
So when I scroll through your posts on Instagram, I see raw visuals and skies, streets, and everyday life captured like very beautifully, like poetry. So what's your process like? Like, do you write first? Do you start with a beat, or do visuals inspire you? Like, how do you start with the process?
आई डोंट हैव अ पैटर्न टू इट एक्चुअली। मैं कभी कभार ऐसा होता है कि मेरे दिमाग में कोई लिरिक्स आ गए पहले। कभी कभार ऐसा होता है कि मैंने बस कोई, जैसे कि आई ऑल्सो यूज एम्बियंट साउंड्स, बहुत सारे नेचुरल साउंड्स होते हैं, जैसे कि अपने एयर्स की साउंड होगी, द रेन साउंड, वो भी बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट करता हूँ। तो इनमें क्या होता है कि अ प्रोड्यूसर विल नो कि हर एक साउंड वाइट नॉइज़ जो होती है, क्योंकि ये सब वाइट नॉइज़ का साउंड होता है। तो इस पे क्या होता है कि यू हैव ऑल द ऑक्टेव्स, ऑल द नोट्स, तो आई जस्ट डिफरेंशिएट दैट नोट्स और फिर मैं वहाँ से म्यूजिक।
But it's good now to take things from nature.
आई डोंट
and
नीड
the
एन
sounds.
इंस्ट्रूमेंट टू लाइक मेक म्यूजिक, टू बी वेरी एग्जैक्ट।
Or like you're sitting and you can make music
आई
right
डोंट
now.
नीड एनी इंस्ट्रूमेंट, मेरे को बस एक माइक चाहिए।
Really? So Roshan, chapter 1 is just the beginning. You know, what can listeners expect from Westies going forward?
As a lot to come. It's ये तो बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंटल एल्बम थी। एज अ नेम सजेस्ट कि इट्स अ बिगनिंग। तो अभी तो हम बहुत करने वाले हैं, लाइक जैसे कि हमने इसमें उत्तराखंड का कल्चर लिया, थोड़ा सा राजस्थानी
So
कल्चर।
you're gonna take cultures from
Yeah,
different
yeah,
states,
yes.
cities, and then
That's the plan.
Okay, and more albums, collaborations, live performances, something like that.
Absolutely भाई। जैसे लोकल साउंड्स लेंगे हम, लोकल वहाँ के आर्टिस्ट से विल कनेक्ट एंड विल डू समथिंग।
So is it like you plan for the next thing, or it's
इट्स
just-
प्लान, वी आर एक्चुअली लाइक इट्स, हमारा जो कॉन्सेप्ट है इट्स वर्ल्ड म्यूजिक कॉन्सेप्ट। तो अभी जैसे ये आई इन माई 20s, हर कोई भागना चाहता है अपने घर से ना, हर कोई इधर घूमना
Right.
चाहता है। तो उस प्रोसेस को मैं कैप्चर करना चाहता हूँ एक्चुअली, क्योंकि यहाँ पे, क्योंकि ट्रैवल तो हर कोई करता है, लेकिन आई हैव दिस पावर कि मैं उस ट्रैवल को एक म्यूजिक फॉर्म में, एक कंपोजिशन में कैप्चर कर सकूँ।
Right.
दिस इज आवर प्लान ऑफ वेस्टीज एक्चुअली।
Loved it. So now it's the time for quick fire quirks. Like it's a rapid fire
Alright.
round, and just gonna ask you few questions. I'm gonna answer in a line or a word.
Go for it.
Done.
Yes.
A song you wish you had written.
जेम्स ब्राउन, इट्स अ मैन्स वर्ल्ड।
One artist you dream to collaborate with.
Actually,
There are lots.
there are lots of artists. Right now, I really want to collaborate with Talvinder if I can.
Okay. Tea or coffee in the studio?
कुछ भी नहीं।
You don't want anything.
No
You just want to focus.
No
Okay.
beverage. I'm not a beverage guy.
Okay. First thing you do when you hit writer's block.
I do everything, but I don't do music.
Okay.
Yeah. I go around, I watch a movie, I go with a friend, like hang out, everything.
Okay. Would you use native lyrics to give authenticity to an Udaipur track? And if Udaipur had a soundtrack, what would it sound like? If you can play something for us, like a little fun.
पता है ये वाला सॉन्ग उदयपुर का सॉन्ग थीम सॉन्ग है रोमिल भैया इज लाइक कीपिंग मी कब से कि ये वाला सॉन्ग बनाना है लेकिन इस वाले सॉन्ग को बनाने के लिए मैंने देरी इसलिए क्योंकि मेरे को थोड़ा सा जानना है और उदयपुर के बारे में ना तो प्रॉब्ली इट वुड साउंड लाइक
Sure, please.
प्रॉब्ली इट वुड साउंड लाइक मतलब जैसे कि करतल करतल तो आई एम काइंड ऑफ ट्राइंग टू यूज अ करतल और फिर उसके ऊपर हारमोनियम काइंड ऑफ दिस रिदम kind of this.
Lovely. So what was it? This like exactly? Random?
Random. It's a random freestyle.
Okay.
म्यूजिक में इसको फ्रीस्टाइल बोलते हैं तो मैं बाद में बताऊंगा आपको जैम करके पूरा अच्छे सॉन्ग
Okay, done.
मेक अ बीट
Absolutely. And also there are few videos going to be out in this album. You're gonna see that.
पायल की झनकार बैरनिया पायल की झनकार
Crazy. Cut it.
So thank you so much, Roshan, for being on Young Minds of Udaipur. And it was amazing to hear your story and get a glimpse into your musical world.
My pleasure.
Thank you so much for joining us, and it was amazing to be at your studio and loved every bit of it. Thank you so much.
Yeah.